Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order on McDonald's app. So, McDonald's doesn't allow you to change or cancel your order in the app, but you can contact the restaurant directly to cancel it. Or you can find the phone number to contact the restaurant and the employees can assist you and may be able to give you a refund for your order. After calling the restaurant, contact your bank immediately. They may be able to help you remove the charges from your account. One thing I'm going to tell you that orders cannot be cancelled in the app, but you can call the restaurant. Unfortunately, McDonald's doesn't allow you change or cancel your order in the app. Instead, you can only cancel your order by contacting the restaurant when you purchased your food. You can find their phone number through the restaurant locator in the app and ask them to cancel your order. So, the only way through which you can cancel your McDonald's order is contacting the restaurant, asking them to cancel before they have started preparing your meal. If the meal is in the starting stage of being prepared, your order will be successfully cancelled. So that's how you cancel order on McDonald's. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.